The best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you learn. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. We don't have to be smarter than the rest. We have to be more disciplined than the rest. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Don't risk what is important to you to get what is not important to you. The no rule. Predicting rain doesn't count. Building arcs does. You don't need to have extraordinary effort to achieve extraordinary results. You just need to do the ordinary, everyday things exceptionally well. Invest in as much of yourself as you can. You are your own biggest asset by far. It's good to learn from your mistakes. It's better to learn from other people's mistakes. Always associate yourself with people who are better than you. If you cannot control your emotions, you cannot control your money. Be fearful when the markets get greedy. Be greedy when the markets get fearful. No matter how great the talent or efforts, some things just take time. Money is not everything. Make sure you earn a lot before speaking such nonsense. Never depend on single income. Make investment to create a second source. Failure comes from ego, greed, envy, fear, imitation. I have success not because I am smart, but because I am rational. Learning how to live is much more important than learning how to make a living. If you want to soar like an eagle in life, you can't be flocking with the turkeys. The secret to happiness is having low expectations. Knowing the edge of your competency is important. If you think you know more than you do, you will get in trouble. It is better to point out your own mistakes than have somebody else do it. We don't get paid for being busy. We get paid for being right. In the world of business, the people who are most successful are those who are doing what they love. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. It's better to build than to buy if you can find the right people. Honesty is a very expensive gift. Don't expect it from cheap people. It's much easier to stay out of trouble now than to get out of trouble later. The value of a business is the cash it's going to produce in the future. Whatever you like to do, make it a hobby, and whatever the world likes to do, make it a business. Chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. What the wise do in the beginning, fools do in the end. Money will not change how healthy you are or how many people love you.